everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking fried lab or lab thot. Are you ready? Let's go. Today I have pork tempura flour, pork powder, cow kwa or rice, fried rice, and chili paste, fish sauce, lemon, red onion. The first I have a 500 gram. I have to put pork powder, one, fish sauce, fried rice.
Roasted.
Roasted.
Say again.
Roasted.
Roasted rice.
Roasted right. Chili paste.
Is that paste?
Paste.
Dry chili.
ฮะ
Dry chili.
dry chili อะไร dry chili I have to cut the red onion it's really small กูเกลียดหอม I have to cut dill cut small I put everything in the pot and I have to mix with my hand. Smell it very good. Beautiful, right? After I put tempura flour. For me, I have pork 500. I put 2 spoons. I think 2 spoons enough. And I mix everything again. And you have to put lemon. Okay, mix everything again. Mix everything again. Again. After you have to make like a ball, small ball. To fry. Lab thot is very delicious, you know, in Thailand. Okay, when I finish the ball, I have to. อะไร
Bowl.
ball. When I finish the ball, I put the oil in the plate. When oil is okay, I have to put the pork. So beautiful. You see? Yeah. You can eat with the vegetable if you like.
If you right.
If you like. ก็ได้เนอะโอเคไหม Now it's cooked enough and I take in the plate. You see it's the chain color. It's so beautiful. Huh? What you think? ผ่านแล้ว Make a beautiful. สวยงามนะ Time for eating. I like salty and sour. It tasting it very good flap and roasted rice make a very good smell and chili make a little bit spicy. Everything is perfect. Okay, thank you for watching and forgive me if I speak English is no good. and thank you for your subscribe rice like. Thank you very much. And I don't know, but if you want something, you can comment if I can do for you I do thank you for watching and see you next video บายบายขอบคุณค่ะ